order to schedule recurring appointments for a patient, come into the therapist schedule. You can either double click on the appointment time and day, or in the top right, click this blue plus button. So I would come in, pick an appointment time, pick the patient's name, pick their current case or episode, pick the visit type from the list, and then mark is weekly recurrence and pick which days I would want to put them on my calendar for the time frame that was marked here, and indicate for how many weeks out into the future you want that to go on the calendar, and then click save, and now it will be scheduled out for the future for those days, and it will schedule out ahead of time and will continue on those days as well.